guys, so as promised, I told you guys I would come back and show you the onesie wraps when they're styled to the back. Now, quick disclaimer, these wraps, when I made these, I did not design them to go to the back. So this is going to be basically trial and error. If you like the styles, then, more power to you. You can go, of course, try it out. But these were designed to face the front. So just keep that in mind as I go through these styles. So I'm going to put the wrap on a little bit different. Of course, I'm going to put it on backwards. And so we have the nape area right here. So I'm going to basically put that up front. Still got my two tails in the middle, right? So my two outer ones. And what I'm going to do is these two outer ones, I'm just going to, let me show you, just going to cross them like we normally would in the front. And I'm going to tie a knot, 2 knots in the front, all right? So we got that. Now we got to pull these down to close up any gaps. So, and I feel one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this up just a little bit, and that will close out the gaps. Pull down just a little bit more. All right. So that's closed off. Let me grab my piece. So bringing these two tails to the middle, to the front, grab my piece. And so like I normally do with, I'm going to create that, I'm going to insert it like a V. So I'll show you real quick. And you guys can see, you got one tail going here, one tail going here, and both tails down the middle. And I'm just going to slide that up. All right, so we got this split up. All right, I don't know how anything's looking. Cross it over. Let's see. Tying a knot twice. All right, so we have it attached. Hopefully this looks decent. It's best, I guess, to have your hair as flat as possible. Mine's not too flat, but whatever. And now we're gonna tuck these tails because we can't go out looking like this. All right, so this is lifting up the head wrap a little bit. And we're tucking and I'm gonna push it back a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm pulling the head wrap up over the sides and pulling over. Tucking all of that under. All right, that's one side. The next side. All right. And I'm going back to make sure that I kind of touch the piece, but I pulled and tucked. Oops. Let me push this back a little bit more. All right. So we have it attached and everything. And it is attached. So this side looks good. How does this look? I hope it looks good, but that's the knot to the back. Again, these were not designed to be in the back, but people wanted me to test it out. So here you go. Look closer look. If that knot is kind of too close, you can still kind of push it back a little bit. There we go. And yeah. Tell me what you think. Don't be too harsh.